Hello guys, it's Enu here and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to design a skincare product flyer like this in photo editor. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all, we are going to click on new. So when we click on new, this is the interface so we're going to input the image size, right? Okay, so the image size is already there. It's 1083 by 1280. All right, so we're going to set our background color. It's a gradient background color here. All right, let's click OK. All right, so we've gotten our background. We want to blur the background a bit, so we're going to click on these three lines over here. We head over to effects, then we scroll down, we scroll sideways to blur. All right, so we're going to blur the background a bit. Let's say blurred. You can see before, this was before and after we blur the background. Okay, after that we just click on the check mark over here. All right, we click on three dot icon again, head over to text/image. We click on that. We click on a plus icon. We're going to work with the background blending. Okay, all right, so we're going to import images from our background, from our gallery rather. We click on it. We then again click on a gallery icon again. Click and hold and select both of them. All right, so we head over to the layer side. We're going to hide this layer. Select this icon over here. I'm going to increase the size. We click on these three lines over here. We head over to the blend mode. Let's set it to overlay rather. Overlay. We click on the three lines again. We go to effect. We click on none. Then we head over to the blur. We click on, we increase the blurriness. We increase the blur. Okay, this is okay. After that, we head over to the layer side, then we lock our layer. We unhide the other one. Okay, so we increase the size. All right, we click on these three lines over here. Head over to blend mode. We set it to screen. Okay, yeah, so we have to lock our layer as well. So we click on a plus icon again. We select this particular shape. Okay, so we're going to draw a shape like this. Okay, click on apply. So we're going to draw a particular shape. Okay, all right, so we click on a three dot icon again, make a duplicate of this particular shape. We click on this pencil icon. We're gonna change the color to this color, same color. Select the top to select the color and click OK. After that, we click on apply. All right, so we head over to the layer side. We place the image under the first one, or the shape rather. We're gonna, okay, yeah, something like this. All right, so we're gonna lock our layers. Yeah, so we click on a plus icon again. We're going to import our resource from the gallery. All right, so I'm going to import it as once. Click and hold and select all these images. All right, so I'm going to hide the ones that we are not going to be needing for now. All right, so we're going to work with the image, increase the size. Yeah, we're going to position it under the shape like this. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna lock our layer. Alright, so let's unhide the product over here. Okay, you select it and reduce the size a bit again. Alright, so we're going to make a duplicate. Click on the 3 lines again. You can see duplicate from here. Click on the 3 lines again. Flip it to something like this. Okay, we position it somewhere here. We go over to opacity. Then we're going to reduce opacity. Alright, we head over to the layer side and we lock our layer. We click on a plus icon, go for a shape. Select this oval shape over here. Go to fill. We select the top color to be black. Press OK. We select the down color to be black. We press OK. Alright, so we then, after going to fill, we click on this one over here. We click on that. Okay, right. So we click on it, then reduce the hardness of the shape. Reduce the hardness, something like this. Then we click on apply. Click on apply again. Alright. We click on the 3 lines again. Go to perspective. So we're gonna set it under the product like a shadow. Right, so press OK. Yeah, place it here. Right, so go to the layer side, click and drag under the product like this. Let's reduce it. Alright, I think this is okay. Let's select the other one and push it up a bit. Let's click go to move, then move in size. Okay, something like this. It's okay. Yeah. So head over to the layer side and we lock our layers. So we're going to unhide this one over here. Unhide this one. Then we head over to the pencil icon. We're gonna crop it. So let's use this image. Let's use this part rather. So we're gonna crop it. Click on apply. Okay. So we're gonna rotate it a bit. Reduce the size. Then we're gonna position it somewhere here. Reduce the size a bit. Okay. Click on the 3 lines again. Head over to effect. We click on none. Scroll down. See blur. So we're gonna blur it. We're gonna blur. Not too much. Okay, yeah. Just reduce the size again. I think okay. Yeah, it's okay. Let's lock our layer. Then we're going to unhide this one as well. Push it on top. Okay, unhide this and select it. Okay, so there's an arrow vera. You're gonna position it somewhere here. Okay, we're gonna send it back up the image like this. Okay, let's push it somewhere here. Okay, this is okay. Let's lock our layer. Click and hold, push it up. Alright, unhide it. then reduce the size. Get over to 3-dot icon, go to move and size, going to position it somewhere here. You lock your layer, head over and unhide this one as well, hold and push it up, drag it like this. So we're gonna reduce the size. Okay, and click on the 3 lines over here, go to move and size it, push it somewhere here. Alright, so let's lock our layer. Let's unhide this one as well. We're going to position it somewhere here. Alright, yeah, so let's lock our layer as well. So we click on the plus icon again, go for a shape. I'm going to select this square shape. We head over to fill. We click on this one again. We click on it again because the hardness of the shape is, if we decrease the hardness of the shape, so we're going to increase it back. So we click on it again and increase it back. We've gotten the hard part. Okay, so let's change the color. We click on the top. We're gonna select this color. Okay, so we click on the back, on the top rather, and select this color as well. So after that, we click on apply, reduce the size, then we're going to stretch it. Alright, so we are done. We click on the plus icon again, go for a test, free. Alright, so we head over to properties. We're going to select a particular font. Yeah, so I'm going to use this particular font. Alright, so go back, then click on the colors over here. I'm going to use this color for the top. I'm going to use this green color too, then click on apply. I just want to reduce the size. Alright, so you can zoom. Let's zoom it so that we can reduce the size proper. Okay, yeah. So reduce the size. Alright, so let's zoom it back. Alright, so we are going to make a duplicate of this text. We click on this pencil icon again. So we're going to edit the text. The telephone number plus 233. Right. Press OK. Let's zoom it. Let's Alright, so we position that one to over here. Then make another duplicate of the text again. We're going to position it somewhere here. Click on the pencil icon, which is the edit. We're going to edit it. Shop. Now click on apply. Alright, let's zoom. Let's zoom it back. Alright, so let's maintain it like this.